Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. Today I have a video on a smart TV remote and it is broken. I will show you how to fix this. You can see that it is broken from here. This is its battery compartment and this is its back cover. These are batteries. Now I will show you how to fix this and reuse it as a original remote, because original remotes are not available in the market. This is sealant. In our region it is called Elfi, and it instantly burns anything, and it is very good. So check your local shops whether it is available or not. We will need 2 or 3 drops of it. I will pour it here. See that? Now I need something. Apply this to the affected area, broken area. Now take the second part of the remote. Gently apply it. Don't use extra quantity, otherwise it will stick the keys. After 1 minute, viewers, take both the parts and join them on their place. Do this step correctly, viewers. It should be seated properly on its place. Hold it tightly for 30 to 40 seconds. Also, we will apply a little bit sealant here. We can also put some tiny particles like sand or dry onto this sealant, that it will bond both sides permanently. I have put some on this side, now on the other side. It will be like a bond between both sides, so our sealant will stick permanently. Now you can also put the drop here. Give it some time for dryness. Then we will insert the battery and do the next step. Viewers, it is dried down now. You can see that. Now I will insert the batteries. And do the next process. You can see that our batteries are firmly held. Now I will put the back cover on. Now the next step is, viewers, take a polythene sheet and cover it from all sides. Take transparent tape. Also close the front and back side. Bend it like this. Now take a long piece and put it on its back side. Guys, you have seen that I have fixed the broken remote of a TCL Smart TV. You can fix all brands remote like this, broken remotes, and Now I will show you it's working. It's now safely packed inside a packing. Now I will check it on TV. Here is a TCL Smart TV views. You can see that I am pressing the power key. Our remote is working with this volume button. Kindly like the video if you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.